If you're experiencing issues with your turn signals, the turn indicator switch is the ideal replacement for your vehicle's electrical system. Whether you're driving a Jeep or another vehicle, this part is designed to ensure your turn signals work flawlessly every time you activate them. Manufactured in the United States, this high-quality turn indicator switch is built to meet the exact specifications required for reliable performance and durability. This switch plays a vital role in your vehicle's signaling system, allowing you to indicate turns safely and clearly. If your turn signal isn't functioning correctly, this switch will restore full operation, ensuring safety and compliance with traffic laws. It's an essential component that ensures smooth and efficient signaling, providing peace of mind on the road. Many customers have had great success with this product, including those who experienced issues with a non-working left turn signal. One customer mentioned how following a YouTube tutorial to install the switch fixed the problem quickly and efficiently. The installation process may require a steering wheel puller kit, but with the right tools, the process is straightforward and can be completed in no time. This turn indicator switch is the perfect replacement to keep your vehicle's signaling system in optimal condition. It's packaged securely, with dimensions of 12.0 inches in height, length, and width, ensuring that it arrives safely at your door. For a reliable fix to your turn signal issues, don't wait. Click the link in the description to purchase this product now, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to discover more products that can enhance your vehicle's performance.